video clearly suggests when it comes to the Hathras Hadsa, that a VIP road, and this is something that Tetri has been reporting live from us from the site itself, a VIP road that was built for this self-styled Godman himself, and so that there could be a proper area or where right next to this venue where this road was made, so that he can make his way to the venue. And this is something that a VIP road that has also been mentioned by Tetri in a report that was made especially for this self-styled Godman. So in the meantime, as special arrangements were made for this self-styled Godman himself, so that, he's given this VIP kind of a treatment, road that has now been constructed. Tetri was also showing there was a special lavatory just for this individual, the self-styled Baba, that was also made. But what happens to the bhaks, what happens to the pilgrims when they were left on their own to fend for themselves? Let me go across to Tetri now. Tetri, another video that has emerged, you were also showing us how a special road was constructed just for this self-styled Godman.
Well, yes, and in fact, let me take you through that particular road which leads to the main road and connects to the stage as well. So this is that particular road that was built for the self-styled Godman, and here we are trying to walk down to this road, which in fact also we can see in the video that Timestamp has managed to access. This was the particular road from where the cavalcade crossed, and in fact the people were also following this particular road, and these are the tents that were put up just about this particular road, and in fact now all these tents are being removed. It is certainly very much difficult to walk over here because the roads have become slippery now due to the heavy rains, but you see the kind of VIP arrangements and the treatment that was given to the self-styled Godman are certainly very much surprising, because it is very much ironical on one hand where he addresses the religious gathering of 2.5 lakh people and assures them of protecting them in their worst conditions, as people claim, and on the other hand he runs away when such kind of situation takes place, and in fact he takes the VVIP treatment for himself. So this is the particular road and for about which I was talking, and this road leads there towards the main road, and that is the main road where this exact stampede took place, and there is that particular ditch where the forensic experts were also present few hours back from now, and in fact we have tried to also show that particular VVIP culture that was followed by this particular self-styled Godman. And in fact, when you walk down through this road, you will come to know that, how many people must have been present over here. It was not just a mere gathering of 80,000 people as those people mentioned. It was a gathering of more than 2.5 lakh people as the FIR mentions. So this is the VIP road as we are walking down, showing the arrangements that were made for him. And in fact also remember that it is not just about the road, but also several temporary tents were also built for him. Apart from that main tent that you can see on your TV screens right now, which is not in a good condition, and in fact that has also exposed the poor arrangements. There are several other tents that were built for this self-styled Godman. The temporary washroom was also built for him. Here you can see the water is also completely filled because it was raining extremely heavy a few minutes back, and you see these complete arrangements were made. Proper rods were put in as if he is some kind of a person who is very much used to for getting a VIP treatment, and there, if you can see, right, I'll try to show you the visuals. There you see there's this dwar from where he entered, and what we can also see that some officials have also come over here to inspect this particular place, because if you walk down, so it is just 500 meters away, and it will just take you 1 or 2 minutes to walk and cross this particular area.
Right.
And in fact the officials are also now coming over here. We saw the forensic team, and there you see another team of the police has come over here. We'll also try to get those visuals.
We showed that posters as well that were put up, inviting as maximum number of people who could come and attend this religious gathering, because there have been several reports that have been suggesting that there was a lot of advertising in a way that was being done so that more and more people could be a part of this religious event.
Certainly, there were two big posters put up over here at the event where they were inviting as many as people could gather, could come there. You see the two posters, if you can see in the visuals. These are the two posters on your television screen. There is the third poster, and in fact, it also has the details about the gathering. Again, I show you that this is the way from where he came, and this is the way from where he was welcomed. The petals on the ground, quite evident that he was welcomed from the same pathway. And there you see the police officials also present here inspecting this entire route. And in a short while from now, remember that Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is also going to reach Hathras, and then he will be going and meeting the victims. And here you see, as you were asking, that here is this particular, let me show you this. Here is this particular banner that has been put up just ahead of this entry road. So here, the cavalcade entered from here. There is this main stage, and here is the main road where the stampede took place, because Self-Styled Godman's cavalcade stopped here.
Right.
The people followed him.
Road that
He
was
passed away
constructed may have given enough time for that Baba to slip away and leave the venue altogether while the people were still struggling to find their way out. Tetri, please do continue to be with us talking